Hi, my name is Muhammad Hazli bin Fauzi and my matric number is 275505 and I'm from a group Cornetto and I'm going to talk about a company background. So our group selected a BSN Mart as our business case study due to its strategic location near Inapan Siswa BSN and it is dedication to meeting the unique needs to students. As a sole proprietorship, the store offers the device range of essentials including grocery, laundry supply, and stationery. It's convenient to resident hall, make it a go-to spot for students to find everything they need in one place. PSN might extend the operation hour from opening 7 a.m. and potentially closing at 2 a.m. on weekend. Cater to student busy schedule. The store commitment to a broad product selection from basic special item enhance the student to purchase experience. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhanisa binti Sapian and my matric number is 294541. Today I'm going to be explaining about context diagram for business process in BSN Mart in UUM. Firstly, what is context diagram? Context diagram is a diagram where it provides a summary level view of the system where it consists of only one process, whereas in our business in BSN Mart is purchasing and cash disbursement procedure, and their one and only external entities, which is the vendor. What consists in the summaries? The summaries from context diagram is taken from physical data flow diagram where we conclude what is the process that happening in there. As we can see in the diagram, the summaries is taken when all process of purchasing has been done, which is when making the payment at the end of the business process. As you can see in the diagram, during the purchasing procedure, the BSN Mart will give the invoice and delivery order to the vendor. Then, the vendor also give the purchase order data copy to the BSN Mart and also give the cash bill to the BSN Mart after they make the payment.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Aina Nadirah binti Wan Noor Azli, number matric 295366. I will explain physical data diagram for BSN Mart purchase and cash disbursement. Firstly, BSN Mart staff will be checking inventory list and update it. Next, BSN Mart staff will prepare 2 purchase order that go to vendor and purchase file and 1 update inventory list to inventory file. Thirdly, BSN Mart staff will get invoice and delivery order copy from vendor. Next, BSN Mart staff will use the invoice and delivery order copy to inspect the goods before give it to owner. Lastly, owner will make payment and give cash bill to vendor and keep the invoice to purchase file.
Good day everyone, my name is Chai Sing Ni, number matric 280762. I will explain about logical DFD for purchase and cash disbursement transaction cycle. Firstly, BSN staff will check the inventory list by monitor and update the inventory records. After that, the staff will prepare 2 purchase orders, one for vendor and another goes to the purchase file. Then the update inventory list will be saved into inventory file. Once the goods have been arrived, the staff will inspect and check the received goods based on a printed copy of invoice and delivery order given by the vendor. After the inspection, the invoice and delivery order will send to the owner and update the inventory records. Owner will then make the payment by cash and give out cash bills to the vendor, while the invoice will keep to the purchase file.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Farah Fasha binti Muhammad Faizal and my matric number is 295646. BSN Mart has 4 process of purchasing inventory from the supplier. They are monitor and update inventory record, prepare the purchase order, inspect and check the received good and make the payment. All process of purchasing inventory in BSN Mart are manually prepared and update the document by the staff. The owner of BSN Mart manually make the payment to the supplier in cash. All the purchases are paid in cash, so there is no comparable for the BSN Mart. This flowchart draws using the symbols of manual process, document, and manual file, which is paper. First, the symbol start. Staff prepare the inventory list Then monitor and update the inventory record of the physical item in the mart. Second, staff prepare the purchase order for the item that need to be stocked up and send the purchase order to the purchase file and vendor. Updated inventory list prepared by the staff and sent into the inventory file. Vendor prepare the invoice and delivery order to the staff to inspect and check all the received goods before fully receive all the item. After that, staff will update inventory record again. The owner need the proof, which is invoice, to confirm the payment and the payment made by cash. The owner will receive the cash bill from the vendor after the payment have been made.